In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can activate and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard, and if you can't see any of those options, clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Following that, select those three dots at the top right one, click on Settings, and tap on Rich Input. Now you can finally select Clipboard. To enable it, click on gray switcher next to Remember Copied Items at the top. To add something to your clipboard from here, click on Add a new clip, and then input wherever you want to. When you finished, select Save at the bottom right corner. If you want to use Clipboard, click on Clipboard icon at the top, and then to paste any of your new clips, click on it. To add it by operating only your keyboard, just copy or cut any text, then click on Clipboard and tap on it. To pin it, use this pin icon on the right. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete any of your saved sentences, just slide them to the right. In order to disable Clipboard, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!